Alright, I'm playing Don't Press the Button Pool. It's really fun, especially if you happen to get the carpet. It's so fun to get the car just looking at awesome. Although sometimes you can't make silly mistakes to climb into this lava. Or accidentally climb into a fire again. Maybe we should be so close to the lava. So I'm just, you can play as long as you want. I'm just going to be playing like year round. It also has some pretty good as long as you know what it's talking about. And the coins, you can get them a lot faster if you have a carpet. Oh, it's an old. It's actually really hard without the carpet. I remember back before I had it. This game is really fun. There's hundreds of challenges. Literally hundreds. Now I'm just going to go fly back. But first, check this out. If you can fly, you can get here because it's like under the island. Sorry, you'll fall. I'll demonstrate, but not really. And here's the carpet. It costs 15,000 coins now. It used to cost 6,000 coins. I bought it back when it cost 6,000 coins. This is something I got Halloween. Oh, mommy! Oh, they're not hard to avoid unless you do a dumb mistake again. Because sometimes I do that. And sometimes I just feel like taunting. Like, when I play, there's not a lot of people that carpet. Especially since it costs 15,000 coins now. Like I said, it used to cost 6,000 coins. I bought it back then. I was like saving up for it. I actually have a lot of things, including a couple different potions you can get. Oh, this one. I made a lot. I tend to. Looks like someone else has the carpet. I tend to someone accidentally crash into the rocks. It's usually the biggest problem. It's really pretty. Look at all the crystals. Rock actually has a flight thing too, but he doesn't have the carpet. You can't save up it. Or I can try even with my carpet style. But he used Robux, so I think it was Robux. And we bought like a flying car. Yeah, it was Robux. So I don't think you can get it in the shop. These are things you can get from the wheel. It changes every once in a while. These are cosmetic type stuff. There's a few things will have a feel. This is really like the potion. I have a small potion and I have a big potion, I only need a gold potion, and a fire potion, but I don't really need the fire potion. A giant drop potion, and I can fly. There's also tons you don't have equipped. The cone is kind of cool, but I never use it. There's not a lot of challenges you can lose life unless you're not being super carefree with the carpet, but there are a few. Especially if someone uses that gear destructor. I hate it. Plus 18,000 points. It's so annoying. I mean, I'll probably leave because I love the carpet. And I love my sword. And the wood. Sorry, please stop. I don't like it. I'll probably get how to use it. And to stop them from being able to use what I can for it. But I'll probably just get this and it costs me 2,000 coins. But I think this is it went up to 15,000 coins. I can see what it did. It is super OP. I'm just gonna get these coins first. Like, it's really OP. Actually, there's also a jetpack. It like, you fly for a short time. It's, well, yeah. You lose things. Isn't that funny? It turns into a pancake once it finishes going. And that was my invisibility potion. Not much use to it. When you have a different object, I like the carpet, like my carpet. But still, I don't think I would have ever made it up to 15 coins. So I'm so glad I managed to buy it before it went up. Okay, bye.